Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a meta ad preview link for both draft ads and published ads. Let's get started. Sharing a draft ad preview. First, open Meta Ad Campaign Manager. Now, select the campaign you want to share. Go to the ad level and select the ad. You will see the Ad Preview Creative icon on the right side. Click the Share icon, then select Share a Link. Turn on the Link Sharing button. Now you can copy the link and share it with your client. You can also click the link yourself to preview how the ad will look before publishing. Sharing a published ad preview. Now let's look at how to share a preview for a published campaign. Do the same steps again. Select the published campaign, go to the ad level, and choose the ad. Open the preview section. From here, you can copy the preview link and share it with your client. Or click the link to check the ad yourself. You can also click the Show Ad button to see how the ad appears directly on your Facebook timeline. You can even check it from your mobile phone, and you will see the ad appearing on your newsfeed exactly as your audience will see it. And that's it. Now you know how to share both draft and published meta ad previews with your clients.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.